I had an idea of creating a beauty bag that could be a wonderful Secret Santa gift. Hi, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Masha. So I worked in retail for quite a few years, and we always had a Secret Santa or Dirty Santa, however you want to call it. Everyone brings a gift at about $10 value, and then just put in a pile, and each person picks what they want and they can steal it from each other, which is kind of fun. I like that. So with a $10 limit, it is sometimes hard to find something decent. So one day I was just browsing around in a local Dollar Tree and I checked out their beauty section. And I have found some interesting things there that I never paid attention to before. Because in my head, I have always dismissed anything beauty from Dollar Tree, but I went there and I wanted to see what they have for nails, but instead I found quite a few cool things. And I had an idea of creating a beauty bag that could be a wonderful Secret Santa gift. All of those products are not specifically a cosmetic product, because that is very personal and that's not something I'll put in a general type of gift. I'm also gonna test them all out just to see if it even works. Okay, let's see what I have. Here's my bag. At first I started looking at all the nail products, and of course I picked out some nail files. We'll see if they're any good. I also picked up a nail file and buff. Pumice stone. Everyone can use that. I did find something really cool that I have never seen in a Dollar Tree before, and that's a jade roll. Everywhere else they are $10 at least. At Dollar Tree, it was $1. Just $1. I did not buy it because I already had one. Then I found this thing. This is an under eye massager. We'll test it out. I also found shadow switching sponge. I've never seen anything like that. Very curious to see how it works. Up next, silicone brush cleaner. Cute little nail polish remover that is scented. Next item is Teardrop gel sponge. We'll try it out. A little holographic cosmetic bag. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь, девять. And since I'm shooting for a $10 gift, a little shopping bag is my 10th item. This was a pack of 2. I thought that was appropriate size. I did not include tissue papers into this list because I already have a bunch. You don't really have to use it if you don't want it. In addition to that, I bought some nail products. Artificial nail tips, glue for them. In one of my future videos, I might try to do something with that. And I also got a few items for nail art, which is separate from the gift. This is just something I want to have fun with. I got 3 colors, 2-in-1 base and top coat, and a little nail art pen. I'm really curious how that turned out. Stay tuned for my next weekly regular video, and I'm gonna create some Christmas nail art with just basic, cheap nail polish that cost me a total of $5. If you're doing the Dirty Santa where you swap the gifts or try to steal it for someone, I feel like that could be a stealable gift. I would want all those items, but let's see if they actually work. First, I'm going to try the nail file. All right. It seems to be just like any basic nail file. So one side is 240 grit and one is 320. 240 is more coarse and it's better for shaping your nail, and 320 helps to smooth out what I have just shaped. Also 320 grit you could use to smooth out the top surface of your nail if your nails started flaking. Pretty happy with 3 nail files for just $1. Next, I've got another nail file. This one is the 7-step file, the one where you can file your nails and then buff them as well. Okay, so you start with a 1, which is the coarse grit to shape the nail. Then 2, medium grit to refine the shape. Then step 3, fine grit to smooth edges. It's basically like a 320 grit, I would say, It's a little bit more rough, but this is also could be used to get rid of all the flaking of the nail. So number 4 will apparently condition the nail. Number 5, smooth the nail. Number 6, nail buffer. And number 7, polish and shine. I'm really curious to find out how this shadow switching sponge works. For this, I have picked a couple of my high pigmented palettes and a couple of brushes. Okay, let's see how that works. First, I'm gonna go with this palette. This is actually a $4 or $5 palette from Dollar General. I bought it for a fall photo shoot that I did, so I wanted to have fall makeup, but those are not the shadows that I normally would wear, so I thought, why not? And actually, among makeup YouTubers, it does have good reviews. First, I want to show you that it is actually a high pigmented color. Now I'm going with the brush. All right, and let's see how it cleans up. Oh wow, it's clean. I'm surprised. I didn't expect for it actually to work. That's cool. Next, I'm gonna go with a black eyeshadow. Okay. Going to clean that up. And look at that, it's clean. The brush looks darker, dirtier, I guess. It is clean. That's awesome. Wow. Let's go with the blue. Wow. So this thing works. Another win. Now an eye roller. Why do you need an eye roller? Well, it helps to massage under the eye area. So basically, massaging under an eye can help your blood circulation, which helps with under eye circles. I think you can also massage your sinuses with that. I don't think it should be just under an eye. You can probably massage the whole face. But for that, there's a jade roller. My jade roller did not come from a Dollar Tree, and I paid $10 for it. Jade roller from a Dollar Tree, probably the same quality. I think it was just a little bit smaller, the roller part, but I don't know if that matters that much. And what do you use the jade roller for? When you apply a mask on your beautiful face, you can massage your face with the mask on, and or without a mask. It's always good to get your face massaged. Helps blood circulation and keep your face young and beautiful much longer. Don't forget about forehead. That was really good, actually. Okay, enough with the jade roll. So it does have this little ball that spins, and that's what massages under eye area. Another win. Pumice stone. If you do not know what this is, then you do not give enough love to the bottom of your feet. I use it every time I take a shower, right at the end of it, when all that dead skin got loosened up. It absorbed a lot of water and is much easier to remove. So I just scrub it all over. Yes, it does tickle a little if you're ticklish. And rinse it off and put it somewhere where it can dry, otherwise it can get moldy. But once it gets moldy, just buy a new one. It's $1. Up next, brush cleaner. It does have little suctions on the bottom, which is nice, so you can stick it to your mirror or anywhere you want to, and it just sticks. Let's actually try it. To test this out, I had to go get a couple of things: a bowl of lukewarm water, 2 of my probably dirtiest brushes, and a soap. This is actually my face soap, but I'm gonna use it to clean my brushes. And I also need a paper towel. I'm going to wipe off some excess here first. look how clean. Look how clean this is. Wow, I am impressed. And I almost forgot about this Teardrop gel sponge. So this is made for skincare and cosmetic products to use instead of your fingers, and that way you'll end up using less products and all of it will end up on your face and not on your fingertips. Before I'm gonna use it, I will wipe it with alcohol. Just because it came from a package, it doesn't mean I shouldn't clean it. And I'm going to try the serum. Since I have makeup on, I'm just gonna try it on my hands. I'm going to apply it to my right hand with just my fingers. And quite a bit of it is left on my fingers. This is the Ordinary Buffet multi-technology peptide serum. It's really good. I really like it. But I missed their Black Friday sale. And now they're sold out of like everything. Okay. I did apply about the same size drop. But this way, all the product is staying on my hand and almost nothing is on the sponge, which is preferred because for hands, I like to use hand lotion that's specifically designed for hands, that has ingredients that are good for hands. Not that this will be bad for hands. This is not the most expensive product, but when you do buy expensive creams, you don't want them on your fingertips, right? You want them on your face. Something like this can help your cosmetic products last longer and not being wasted on your palms. Another win. And the last item is this little pouch, which is nice to have, to put it all in for traveling. But honestly, I'd rather have a jade roller than this. But placing something like that in the bag, if you want it to stick out, it just looks prettier. I'm a little bit surprised. I didn't think all of those products will work as well as they did. So I'm very happy with the result. I think that makes pretty cool Secret Santa gift. Let me know what you think about this little gift bag in your comments below the video. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please consider doing so. That way you'll never miss a new video from me. Also, don't forget to click that bell notification button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.